let me give y'all a good picture of what goes on with me. I was so focused on the Christmas special. I was gonna give y'all the rest of the gameplay of me dropping them bums off. I had like 8 dunks, but they was trash though. It was just like some random footage. I had on Santa Claus costume, but look. Every time I got plans for y'all, these other YouTubers come out of nowhere, bro. Like, Flight Reacts booked a flight ticket without me even knowing. Like, the nigga just caught a plane to me. After me waiting for... Cool, thank you. After me waiting for a year to play Flight Reacts. When we got popping enough, obviously, when we popping enough, we got 500,000 subscribers, etc. They hit me up. Now they want to play me. Flight Reacts caught a plane to Arizona without me even knowing, bro. I had to stop everything I was doing in my life to entertain him. Which he got 22 zip. But he Flight Reacts, so I wasn't excited about nothing I did to him. Then DDG come out of nowhere. DDG is in Arizona. DDG is here right now. Now, y'all know I'm not a fucking fanboy. I don't give a fuck if he DDG or not. Nigga, you have to wait for your moment. Simple. You have to wait till after Christmas and fucking New Year's. And then I will 1v1 you and destroy you, my nigga, and 10 zip you. But until then, I don't give a fuck about no Javinci. I don't give a fuck about none of that. You have to wait you gotta wait for your moment. You get what I'm saying? But it's so crazy how... And I actually fuck with DDG because... DDG is from where I'm from. He from Michigan. I see DDG dropping bangers. I don't care. DDG been called me out before all this. He been called me out. DDG actually been called me out, yo. I'll give him the props for that. He ain't one of these other niggas who ride my wave right now. It's a lot of niggas ride my wave. But DDG actually been called me out before all of this. Trying to 1v1 me. Now, I know DDG not a basketball player. I'm a 10 zip him. Easy. But shout out to Kennedy too. She sexy as shit. But I just hate how niggas could just... Bro, you get so lit to the point, man, you just go with the flow, bro. Sometimes I feel like I'm off other niggas' schedule. Like, I gotta entertain other niggas. Like, I feel like I'm doing shit for other people instead of y'all. A YouTuber could come out of nowhere and call me out, fly to Arizona, and I have to play him.
And then annoying TV kissed you and they said they took her girl.
I have no idea. I have no girl, bro, and I have no idea what you talking about, bro. Bro, I've been single for like 3 years, man. Bro, I'm SoLLUMINATI, bro. If I have a girlfriend, you will be the first one to know. Trust me. I've been single for 3 years and I don't plan on cuffing no time soon. I'm a thought, bro. I'm a proud one. A proud thought. I have everything I want. I bought everything I want. I have all the money in the world. Right now, I'm just bored. It's Christmas. I ain't get shit for Christmas. I bought myself a car last week. That's my Christmas gift. I have no girlfriend on YouTube, bro. All these girls on my dick. Obviously, I'm SoLLUMINATI with the littest fan base in the world. Y'all niggas lit as fuck. Can't nobody fuck with us. That's why niggas trying to boot me offline every time I stream. That's why everybody flying to Arizona. Bro, y'all don't understand how lit we is, man. And I pray every day. I thank God every day, don't I? I always come on Twitter. Thank God for the day. Mr. Daniel, thanks for the sub.
Merry Christmas, y'all.
Merry Christmas, man. Hopefully y'all had a good Christmas, man. My Christmas has been terrible. Before I became a YouTuber, I wasn't getting shit. The struggle, for real. Tasky got him. Thanks for the sub. Spark up. We good. With a lighter.
That's the moral of the story, big fella.
You rolled a blunt with no lighter?
There's a lighter in this bitch somewhere. I ain't got time to be playing Blues Clues.
Yeah, that's tough. Merry Christmas, bro. Hey, can I get a Merry Christmas for everybody right now? Let me get a Merry Christmas. Nah. Alright, look, this is what I'm about to do. I'm about to take it out of sub only. It's only $5 to sub. I'm not in sub only for people to sub, bro. I don't do this shit for the money. If I did, I'd spam y'all with ads. You get what I'm saying? Let's see how much money I made on Twitch, and I don't even stream. I'll show them. I made $872 on this motherfucker, and I ain't even streamed yet. And I don't even stream, bro. I don't care about none of this, bro. You get what I'm saying? Y'all know how much I stream once a month, literally. But hey, I make $1,000 a month when I stream, though. Just one time. My nigga, can you do that? You can't. That's tough. I don't care about this shit, bro. But we about to spark this blunt real quick, bro. Let me smoke real quick, and then we can just go from there. Yeah. I'm gonna take y'all off sub only real quick. Hold on. Alright, y'all off sub only. 3, 2, 1.
It's okay that everybody ignores me when I drive. It's fine, because I get a safe